Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to get started on painting your color wheel. The items that you'll need are your primary colors, yellow, red, blue, in addition to black and white. You'll also need a paintbrush. Here I'm using the biggest one that was provided, a water cup, and some kind of a rag or paper towel. It's best if you go ahead and label all of the wedges on your color wheel ahead of time so that it's easy for you to figure out what goes where. The best way to start this, I think, is to start off with the primary colors. So the hue, which is the primary color, is the color on its own without being mixed with either white or black, gets placed in the middle circle. So I'm starting off here just painting very carefully within the lines the yellow first. Then next I am going to wash out my brush here so it's nice and clean, and then I'll move on to the other primary color, the red and the blue. Okay, so now that we have our primary colors on our color wheel, we're going to go ahead and add our secondary colors. Secondary colors are the colors you get when you mix two primary colors together. So here I am mixing some yellow with a little bit of red to get an orange. To create a tint for my orange, I'm going to pick up some of the white here, and just to the side of the orange that I previously mixed, I am going to mix that white into it. So here I am breaking the rules already by applying a lighter color to a darker color. Before mixing my shade for my orange, I'm going to make sure that my brush is thoroughly cleaned out. I don't want any of that white residue left over on my brush bristles and contaminating the shade that I'll be creating. So I still have a good patch of the orange left over, and all that I really need to do is pick up just a teeny bit of the black and pick a side to the off to the side of the orange here to mix that black in there to create my shade. Alright, so my orange wedge is all finished, and I'm ready to move on to my other secondary color, which is the purple. So I have pretty much an equal amount of red to blue that I'll be mixing together to create my purple. The purple that we mix together won't be a pure purple, but it'll come pretty close to looking like a purple, which is a little difficult to see on the palette here because of the poor lighting quality. But I assure you, it is purple. So after mixing it on, I'm going to add in my tints and my shades, and then I'll proceed on to the next colors. All right, now that I have all my secondary colors completed on my color wheel, I'm going to go ahead and start adding in my tertiary colors, which are the colors that you get when you mix a secondary and primary color together. So the first one I'm going to mix up is the yellow-orange. I want to make sure that my yellow-orange has a little bit more yellow in it so that it's lighter than the orange I previously mixed. And kind of sits right in between the yellow and the orange, hence yellow-orange. When you're all done, your finished color wheel should look something like this. Good luck everyone, happy mixing!